are you running this now? Or recording?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. This is my signature song. And if you You can find them in harbors from Maine to St. George, working and playing and living on board. Thanks to a rhythm that comes from the sea, not too afraid to live out their dream. Their families and friends have called them insane, but it's hard to ignore gypsy blood in your veins. Working odd jobs in marinas and bars, their home is the place wherever they are. So here's the small boats on big oceans and life lived at sea, for the few brave souls who dare to believe that there's more to this life than an office downtown. Here's to small boats on big ocean and dreams you can't drown. We've seen sperm whales and dolphins who dance at their bow, penguins and orcas and icebergs down south, stars without number and waves without end. And when they're in port, they're just waiting to head out again. They sail through storms they've seen the face God staring down from an 80-foot wave. On those occasions where it's Neptune that wins, in a harbor somewhere there's a glass being raised among friends. Here's the small boats on big oceans and life lived at sea, for the few brave souls who's there to be that there's more to this life than an office downtown. Here's to small boats on big ocean and dreams you can't drown. Some were once lawyers who now run from the law, and others are searching for a picture they saw. But they've one thing in common that binds them together. They're all living for the same thing: good wind and fair weather. So here's the small boats on big oceans and life lived at sea, for the few brave souls who dare to that there's more to this life than an office downtown. Here's to small boats on big ocean and dreams you can't drown.